Okay, so this is a speedrun on how to actually use metaballs. So let's go. Add some metaballs. 1, 2, 3, and the cube. Scale that down, rotate, plane, put it there, scale, bevel modifier in a different position. So camera to view, cycles. So let's go into shading, add an emission 1 and 2, then mix shaded and shaded in here. Then the last thing of an L node, first L, okay. Now set the two colors. So okay, so I found that these settings work pretty good. Shading this a bit more. Okay, goddamn, bro. Now save that, save, okay, and now rendered. Ta-da! This is our final image. Tell me what you think. It was a speedrun, so don't tell me it's ugly or else I will kill you.